It was huge.
We haven't seen it since.
Oh.
And it was actually and now
Yeah. Okay, or the second. Oh, longer than this one. Oh, okay. It's not the music.
I'm not sure everything.
It probably is fun at night. The last day. And tomorrow I rest. And we go home.
I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Can we drag your bodies away from the... I can have y'all step up, please. Drag your bodies away from all to the dead center of the room, please.
This pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little trip. sensitive to the right light. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, of course, and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. We've all retired here to the haunted mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the tour. Unlivable here in this coast. Every room has wall-to-wall and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads and a pun. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations. They are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake. And they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all around them. will satirize the document. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.